Hi, my name is Matthew Trumm, permaculture educator coming from Oroville, California and Butte County. I'm talking to you today about our wildfire resilience course that is coming out in January of 2026. I want to talk about this phenomena that we're seeing right now. Every year, these fires that are getting more intense, more frequent, more catastrophic all over the world. We're losing our homes, our livelihoods, our ecosystems that support all of us, and the forests and the beautiful places that we love. One thing that I've learned over the years is that resilience isn't something that comes after a disaster. It's something that you have to weave into your local space well before a disaster if you really want to protect and thrive going forward. So that is the reason we came up with this training, pulling together 16 incredible world-class experts for this course, people specializing in ecology, permaculture, water management, soil restoration, community resilience. We created a holistic program that I haven't seen out there, and it works for all disasters, but we are focusing here on wildfire particularly. And what we want to teach you is how to read your landscape, how to see the world around you, how to use simple systems to rehydrate your landscape, to protect your home, to protect your community, and create a system of resource management products for you and your community out of the restoration work that needs to happen. Most importantly, we want to teach you how to organize your community, how to create a management plan for this work. And we're going to be talking to so many different people that have on the ground experiences with post fire work and, helping communities, helping people get resources, how to navigate government systems, things like that, and fill with other fire survivors as well. This is for anybody in the world who experiences wildfires, catastrophic wildfires, or just wants to really have a more resilient community, a home, yard. You learn so much. Well, I've been through it myself, so I know exactly what it's like to go through that. And I don't want people to go through that, but unfortunately, many of folks have. We want to teach you how to, restore your land and livelihoods after this event. And this goes for floods and all the other things that are happening in the world right now. I look forward to meeting folks and co-learning together.